Hello and welcome to another Orion Tech Tips video. If you have about $2,600 and you don't care about cryptocurrency mining and you don't care about Ethereum, GPUs going through the market, this PC is for you. I know that sounded kind of sad, but whatever. Okay. So, I recently, or not so recently, I did a $1,200 PC build. That was kind of trash, I will admit, and that was Canadian. So we are back, US prices, because a lot of you guys who watch my channel are from the US. So yeah, if you want like a decently performing PC, yes, this is definitely capable of 1080p, 60 frames per second gaming. Easy, or even higher than that. So yeah, let's get into it. So we have the Ryzen 7 3700X, of course, 8 cores, 16 threads, 3.6 gigahertz, and it is definitely overclockable. Comes with the cooler, but instead of that cooler, we will be using the Cooler Master ML240 RGB from Cooler Master. So this can definitely, we will be using that to overclock our Ryzen 3700X CPU. For the motherboard, we're using the Asus ROG B550F Gaming AM4 motherboard with Wi-Fi. However, Wi-Fi is really cheap, so I don't really see why they're advertising Wi-Fi for like $30. You can just get like a wireless adapter. Very, very easy. Why is that not loading? Is my internet like that bad? It doesn't seem like it, but okay. Okay. Moving on. Just stop X. Okay. Cool. For storage, we'll be using a for Windows and your main applications. I'd say Windows, your browser, Windows, your browser, key applications, editing software. And then for videos, music, movies, and video games, use your 4 terabyte Seagate Barracuda. I know everybody's saying like, oh, well, all SSDs, you should only use SSD storage because they're so much better. You should just spend the extra money. And I agree, yes, they are a lot better. And if you can afford to get like 5, 6, 7, 8 terabytes of, or even like, some people need like upwards of 30 terabytes. If you can afford that in SSD storage, yeah, I mean, that's great. Go with that. Or if you can just get away with like 1 terabyte of storage, then yeah, go with that. But most people cannot do that, myself included. So I have 4 terabytes of mechanical storage. And I also have a 256 gigabyte SSD for Windows. And it works great for me. Okay, so on to the GPU, we have a RTX 3060 from EVGA. Now, this is a very powerful GPU, not only for 1080p, but it can also do some 1440p. Why is this? God. Okay, I was playing Call of Duty Warzone with Coda. Some of you guys might know him on the channel. But yeah, my Wi-Fi just kept crashing over and over and over. And it's like 2 in the morning. Like, I'm just going to bed because I can't handle this horrible Wi-Fi. But yeah, I need to call my Wi-Fi service provider. This is horrible. If this video doesn't go up for a long time, it's my Wi-Fi. So, okay, it is April 24th right now. If it doesn't go up soon, then just know it's my Wi-Fi. So if you see this like a year from now, just know my Wi-Fi is trash. And yeah. Okay. For the case, we have a full tower, the PC011 Dynamic Full ATX tower case. Perfect. And really, yeah, it looks great. It can store all your components, super easy to build in. Very, very nice case, and that will cost you $150. For the power supply, I went with a Corsair Platinum 1 1000 watt power supply. And no, you don't need 1000 watts. However, it's very, very nice to just have a nice power supply that you never have to change. And then if you want to like add a CPU, a GPU, some more RAM, maybe you want to add some more storage, you can just plug them in, turn on your computer, and use your machine immediately. If you buy a new PC part and it's like, oh, you need more power to run it, you have to buy a new power supply, and it is super, super painful to install a new power supply. You have to like wire it correctly. And yeah, super annoying. It takes forever to install, and then plus you don't have to buy a new one. So just buy this one and you'll be set pretty much forever. So that's very nice about buying a high-end premium power supply immediately. Yeah, okay. I know there's everyone like, oh, you don't need a crazy high power supply if you're just building a budget system. Yes, but it is very nice because soon you will need a power supply upgrade if you just go with like some cheap low wattage power supply. So 1000 watts, highly recommend. I know there are 1600 watt power supplies. However, at that price, you can really just afford a better system than this. Okay, total $2,640.54. GPUs are crazy right now. Yeah. Okay. That is about it. And if you did want a RTX 3090 and you want to go all out and you don't care at all about money, then leave that in a comment section down below and I will do a PC build on that. And yeah, okay, that's about it. See you guys in the next video. Remember to like, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace out.